little artists. Welcome to Paint for Kids, your fun place to learn drawing on your computer. Get ready to explore colors, shapes, and tools that will turn your imagination into amazing art. Let's start by opening the Paint application. On your computer, look for the search bar, type Paint, and click on it when you see the icon. Got it? Great. Look at that, a big white space in the middle. That's your drawing area. We call it a canvas, like a big paper on the screen. At the top, you'll see a row with buttons. That's called the ribbon. It has all the tools you need: pencils, brushes, shapes, and colors. On the left side of the ribbon, you'll find tools, like the pencil, fill tool, and eraser. On the right, there's the color box, where you choose your colors. Try clicking around and explore. Don't worry, we'll go step by step and you'll be a paint pro in no time. Great job exploring. In the next episode, we'll start drawing. See you soon.